Classroom students, is this visible clearly to everyone? Last person also. Okay, clear, right? Okay. So we can start now, 9 o'clock, and see now. For first 5 minutes, I will tell you in brief what we have discussed yesterday. Okay. So today it is demo day 2. Today's session is demo class day 2. Demo day 2. Actually, this is the main session. Main demo. This is main demo. Please be on mute all the time. Let me check the active cameras. Except me, no one should be presenting. So all of you who have connected online, if you want to see my face, my video camera, I mean camera visual, you have the option there. If you don't want to see, you can hide it. Okay, and screen and all, screen size and all, you can change it from your end. Okay, I am presenting my full screen. Okay, so yesterday is an informative session. Yesterday is day 1. How many of you are new to this class? I mean, like yesterday you did not attend, but today only your first class. No. For those students, today as a first session. Okay. Please understand that, frankly speaking, you did not miss anything. Okay. Yesterday's session was an informative session. If you go through the video in our YouTube channel, Harsha Trainings Pega, definitely you will be able to understand. No worries. Today is the main session, which is concept oriented, session today. Okay, you'll be understanding what is Pega, what is its use. Conceptually you are going to understand all that. Okay, today will be the main session. Actually today will be the first session. Yesterday's session actually day 3. I shifted day 3 to day 1 and conducted. Okay, now you go here. Yesterday I have given you some information about the course duration being 3.5 months. We'll be learning about the concept of theory, technical explanation, and its real-time usage with real life example, and hands-on practical will be there. For each technical aspect, a technical topic, concept, explanation will be there with real-time examples, and practical hands-on will be there. Everything we will do practical from day 1 itself, no doubt about it. And after 3.5 months, you will be in a position to work on any project independently, and you will have a clear idea and understanding about all technical concepts. Okay, and purpose of each of the concept in enterprise real business applications also you will come to know, and you will come to know about how to implement a practical requirement, using a specific technical concept, and you will be molded in such a way that you should be able to work as a Pega developer, actually working on enterprise application equivalent to real-time Pega resources. You will be molded. So really you will be gaining the knowledge equivalent to even 4 to 5 years experience. Okay, if you follow these sessions, you understand the concept, you regularly practice, your knowledge level will be not less than 4 years real-time person, not less than that, even more than that, definitely. Okay, and here you go now. But for this, the condition is students should be regularly attending to the classes and regularly practicing, and you have to test yourself giving the mock interviews. Every time you give mock interview, we'll come back and tell you, sorry, you are failing at this place, you are not able to speak out the technical words. It is there in your mind, but you are not able to explain. Okay, practice to explain much better. Okay, next time you come down and practice this way. This is the gap we identified. Some people will tell them, you are explaining okay, your explanation is okay, but you are not able to explain it fluently. Fluency is missing. Okay, you are searching here and there and explaining. I can understand easily you are a beginner and learner. Okay, so you need to correct to have that fluency. Means many times you go through it, automatically you'll get the fluency. We will tell you feedback like this. Some people will say that your communication is not up to the mark. Please also focus on your communication skills. You are technically good, subject you are learning, everything is good. Some people they are able to do practical. You are explaining practical requirement very well, but when I am asking question, you are not able to answer it. It is there in your mind. but you're not able to answer. Okay, some feedback will be given to you. Based on the feedback, next interview you will correct yourself, fulfill that gap and come down. Like this, if you correct 3 to 4 times, you will be perfect by 5th time for sure. Okay, that's how these interviews are going to help you. And we'll be working on total 4 projects. 2 projects parallelly we are going to work on 3.5 months course. And project 1 will be, I'll be teaching as a trainer, technical, practical, everything I'll tell you. I'll take the screenshots and document it and give you. You are going to do simple copy paste work, frankly speaking. And project 2 I will assign you. You have to read the requirement, understand and do it by yourself, where you have to apply the knowledge what you have gained working on project 1 onto project 2. Onto project 2. Project 1 you gained some knowledge, right? Apply that knowledge to work on project 2 independently. Any doubts, any questions, will clarify. Okay. And mock interviews will be conducted not once in 2 weeks. Actually, that process I told you, right? It is changed. Twice a week. Twice a week. Means previously we used to collect 5 to 10 topics and used to do it. Now topic by topic only mock interview. Okay. And you will be given an enhancement assignment. You will be given every time once your session is completed. Okay. One enhancement requirement will be written in your document. Okay, along with that requirement, we will write interview questions and give it to you. You have to follow that, finish that enhancement requirement, and then give that interview of those questions what are being written. That's how your screening interviews have got a new shape. Previously different, now different. This works better. Okay, see, and next, what you will be provided during and after the course. Daily class running notes. Theory documents will be provided topic by topic. Running notes means this one, what you are seeing here is running notes. Practical documents with screenshots and clear written explanation will be provided. Daily live sessions, recorded video will be provided with view access till 3.5 months. Later on, 2.5 months additionally you will be having access. Daily assignments of each enhancement requirement will be given. So one requirement is done, practical is completed. I will give you one enhancement requirement on top of it. Try to search somewhere in Pega and then implement that enhancement requirement along with going with interview questions. Okay. And interview question and answers, topic wise documents are there for each topic. We will be sharing that to you. Audio recordings of all topics with explanation will be shared to you. I told you about this yesterday. And Google Classroom access will be provided to you for lifetime, which contains theory plus practical documents date wise. Our sessions will go on yesterday, today, like I will show you this. This is a demo classroom for every one of you. We have sent you a request to join here. 2 posts are being added. First post at the bottom says about software download link and software installation instructions video. Download this, follow the video, install. Completed. Scroll up. Come here. Yesterday class notes. Yesterday, where is it? Yesterday class notes, first one. Second one, course content. This has to be modified to add 2 to 3 topics more. I will modify. And latest, FAQ questions. I have asked you to go through it. If you have some questions, go through this FAQ document. Some questions will be clarified. Demo PPT, which will be conducted today. Okay, today this is related to today's document actually. Okay, that PPT also I will show you. I will show you here. Hold on, PowerPoint, right? This demo PPT. This demo PPT also I have already attached. We are not yet gone through this. We will go through it. Like this Google Classroom, demo classroom. Later when you enroll, real classroom we will provide access to enrolled people. So what next? YouTube channel, where you have so many interview question and answers videos are available. Yes, please.
So presentation screen is not visible, sir.
You have to reconnect. All others are able to see my screen. Only you are not able to see, means issue from your end. Please make sure reconnect, clear your browser history. If required, restart your system and then reconnect quickly. By the time I'll recap all this. Resume preparation help, model resumes, interview tips and tricks. Till how long? Till how long? Anytime you come back after 2 years, you come back and ask me some doubt in Pega, I'll tell you, no problem. Okay, once you are a student forever. But access will be limited to the videos. Now, I forgot one point I told now. Real interview audio recordings I have. Who attended? Myself, I have attended. Audio recordings will be provided. Which companies? Some big companies are there. So real interviews happen, no? Each audio recording may be 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, like that. Those recorded audios are available with me, which I have attended from my end. Around 14 to 16 are available. Okay, this is that audio recordings are going to help you after 1 month. You start listening to that, you'll come to know how to explain project, how they are asking scenario based questions, how we are framing the sentence, how we are answering, what way we are managing. All this you can understand following that particular audio recording. This is the point I forgot yesterday. Okay, so daily 1 hour session. Okay, and 1.5 hours of practice time you should have in your hand apart from this 1 hour. That's what I mentioned. If you regularly attend and regularly practice, you will be in a situation to crack any interview without taking any help, and you will be in a situation to handle any project and work on independently. That will happen if you are regular and practice regular, study regular. And also, most importantly, weekly revision. Saturday, allocate 2 hours and revise by yourself. That is much important. Okay. After 3.5 months, additional 45 days of free training will be provided to the interested candidates and eligible candidates. Eligible plus interested. You should be eligible. What is eligibility criteria? Your interviews only. Interviews you are doing well, then you will get a chance to enter into post training or job ready program. Without this program also you can get the job, no problem. But if you have some sort of fear and you feel like you still have to gain some confidence, this program will create all that confidence level in you, and it will give you full confidence to work on independently and to crack interviews. Even regular training also will give you, but still few people are worried about it. Identifying that people, we are allowing you for free of cost. From the day we finish the training, we will give you chance to get your eligibility up to 2.5 months. Within 2.5 months, you complete giving your interviews, you are eligible, you will be in. After 2.5 months, not eligible. Outsiders will join this program by paying 20,000. The fees is what? 20,000 rupees of fees for outside students if they are joining post training. But for you, what is it? Free of cost. If you are in post training program, means you are in job. That's it. There's no doubt about it. If you have got the eligibility to get into post training, you finished post training, means that means you are in job. There is no doubt. You can crack any job interview. No worries about it. Okay. And now, third and fourth project is the one which you are going to work on during this post training program. Okay. So once in 2 days, project review will happen in post training program, and once in 2 days, one session will be conducted. Okay, to give you details about interview question and answers on each topic will be discussed once again. Every question, every answer, every topic in Pega. That's why 45 days required. Okay, if this is not there, actually, if this point is not there, it requires only 15 days. Because of interview, because project you can do in 15 days. That's more than enough, actually. Because of this interview sessions only, we are conducting it for 45 days, because we have to take your sessions. Like this only class will happen. Okay. And post training program eligibility is this one. This is what I told yesterday. You can go through it. Okay. So we will create a WhatsApp group for all the students who joins our training program after you enroll for the program. Enrolling in the sense, you are a student who is willing to join this training program and opt for it. You paid the fees, then you will be added into WhatsApp group. Like that, one by one we will add. And after you add, any doubts, any queries, any discussions, I'll tell you the source. You got a doubt, you stuck somewhere. First source is your practical document with screenshots. Go revise it. Somewhere you would have made a mistake, not able to understand. Go through video and revise the video. Try to focus on the point where you are missing. Still not clarified. Third one is WhatsApp group. Post the screenshot in WhatsApp group. Straight away don't post. First source is document. Second source is video. Third source is WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group, no one is responding. Within 15 minutes, you did not get response. Forward me the same personally. I will respond in the group only. Respond back in the group. Understand? So I will be the fourth source whenever you have doubt. Why? Because you already have a video. So you are getting doubt means definitely that should have been told in the video, right? It should be clarified when you play back the video. So before that, practical document is there, theory document is there. Revise, not understanding. Video, not understanding. Post it in group, not understanding. Not getting response. Come back to understand, clear? And we have coordinators too, they will also respond. Okay. And this is my personal number which I have given. I requested every one of you contact me on this number. I have given you timings also here. According to your country, you follow and call me. Okay, that's what I told you. So today, I already mentioned yesterday itself, we are going to focus on understanding about these points. Today is October 5th. Demo day 2. This is the main demo. Today, after today's session, you are going to get a clear idea and understanding about what is Pega and what is its purpose and what is the advantage of using Pega, okay, in the market. Okay, that and all you are going to get the information about Pega rules process commander, some information Pega. So yesterday I'll tell you about, sorry, tomorrow I'll tell you about BPM versus Pega. I'll tell you tomorrow. For that we are going to go through this PPT. Everyone clear online? Okay, first of all, so what is Pega and what is its use in real time? Okay, in real life, what is its use? Okay, see here now. What is Pega and its use? That is the first question. Okay, you might have this. So Pega is a software product, is a software tool developed by Pega Systems. Developed by whom? Pega Systems company. Developed by a company called Pega Systems. So Pega is a software tool developed by Pega Systems, which can be used to develop business process management applications. To develop what? Business management applications. Normal applications, simply speaking, web applications or something. So for example, Amazon.in. Okay, and for your better understanding, I'm saying all this, but not actually this. PhonePe, GPay, IRCTC, etc. Whatever the application that you are seeing, that applications can be developed in Pega, no problem. See, that is what Pega is, a software tool developed by Pega Systems, which can be used to develop business process management application. This you will come to know tomorrow. Simply speaking, your business will be processed. For that, you need one digital application, right? To process a purchase transactions, you need one application. That's why Amazon, Flipkart are there. The type of applications you can create, simply speaking. Okay, so other example, loan processing application, loan processing, insurance processing, HR onboarding, etc. This type of applications also you can develop. I'll tell you specifically later. For now, I'll give you brief idea at a top higher level. See, Pega application development. Okay. Pega is a full stack application development. Full stack means what? We can design and develop. First one, user interface. User interface means HTML, C#, CSS, JavaScript, like this. Second one, business logic means Java. Now tell me, C#, VB, Node, etc. Anything. Those are all business logic related technologies. And third one is database. Database means SQL. I am writing in general. SQL queries, structured query language queries you are going to write. See, if you want to develop a full stack application which has user interface, business logic, and database, all these three, this is full stack. Additionally, you have deployment, versioning, all that. I'm not focusing on all those. High level. You have to use three technologies minimum. One is markup language. HTML is markup language you are using to design UI, and CSS means skin related means appearance related. JavaScript means UI level processing. Business logic, Java means backend processing. Database means complete backend storing the data. See, any web application typically have 3 layers. Look at the diagram. Any web application typically have how many layers? 3 layers. I'll tell you one example, simple you know. Facebook registration form. You want to sign up on Facebook to get a Facebook account. First, when you open the browser, enter the URL. Enter the URL, facebook.com. You will see one web page loaded, right? What is your first name? What is your last name? Like that. Okay. Here you go. New private window. Facebook sign up. Facebook sign up. Sign up on Facebook. First name. This is user interface. This can be developed with the combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For that, generally we have to write coding in other technologies. Pega doesn't need it actually. So you enter data here. After you enter data here, you click on a button, submit or sign up. What will happen? You know, the data entered in user interface when you perform submit or register or sign up, this data will move into next layer in the software development. That is business logic layer. What is the layer? Business logic layer. Data moved into business logic layer should be ultimately stored into database. Permanently should be stored. You registered once. Tomorrow you come to Facebook page. Should you register again or log in? You have to log in only, right? You don't need to register again. How come? How come Facebook has your details already? If it is allowing you to log in, first time you came by login, it is not accepting. It is saying your details are not there with me. Your details are not there with me. Please sign up. You signed up. Next time you came, it is saying your details are with me. I'll allow you. How come? Your details are there with it means definitely it should be stored somewhere, right? So in order to store the data, we use database. We use database. Data will be stored into database. That is the ultimate purpose. So user interface is much understandable to common people like us. So we design UI and we enter data in UI and submit. Data ultimately should be taken into database, but it is not directly. Data will flow in 3 levels. First level is UI, you provide the data, submit, data will land into middle level layer called as business logic layer. User interface layer to business logic layer, data will move. From business logic layer, data will be taken into database. Meeku ardhamavutunda topic? Ardhamavutunda? So it will store into database. Everyone clear? So like this is what actual intention of developing web application. So if you have a web application, definitely you want to store the data. Without storing the data, you need it. You don't need anywhere. You need any application without storing the data. Facebook, Twitter, or any loan processing application, insurance processing application, any application you take. Okay, definitely that stores your data. Bank application will store all your transactions, right? After 1 year, you go and ask them what are my transactions, they will give you. How come they are giving? Your data is stored in database. See, we need to work on implementing these 3 layers. 3 layers you have to implement: UI layer, business logic layer, database layer. Combinedly, coordinatively working together will be full stack. For this, actually, if you are a Java developer, you are a Microsoft .NET developer, or you are a mainframe, not mainframes, I'm sorry, maybe other technologies developer. In that case, you need to learn HTML, you need to learn CSS, you need to learn JavaScript, all this coding. You need to learn one technology for business logic coding. You need to learn SQL and learn how to write queries, how to write joins, how to implement views, all this. So much you have to learn. That's all coding related to UI, coding related to business logic, coding related to database queries. Here you call markup scripting. Here you call normal technology coding. Here you call queries, whatever it is. Overall, the respective coding you have to learn. But in Pega, you will be developing all this, but without the need of coding. So, but without the need of coding, without the need of coding means Pega is a full stack application development with no coding. With no coding. Pega is a full stack application development with no coding. When I say no coding means you don't have to deal with no HTML coding, no Java coding, no queries, no queries writing. Queries writing is not there. Without doing all this, then you will be able to develop the application. How? I will tell you. You will get a clear idea. But this is information as of now. See here now. So this is what you will develop. You'll be working as a Pega developer, as a user interface developer, business logic, database. All three you will work on, but nowhere you will be writing coding. You don't have to knowledge about any of these three. The basics I'll teach you. Basics I'll give you. No worries. Okay, where to start, how to start. Next, see, generally the applications what we see based on the network, based on the accessibility of application, based on network level accessibility, network level accessibility, applications can be categorized into two. First one, internet applications. Second one, intranet applications. Okay, now the question is, what is internet application, what is intranet application? Very simple, listen to me. See, internet application is something public domain applications. What is that? Public domain means everywhere you have internet connection, you access Gmail, you are accessing now. Gmail is public domain or private? Public domain. Anyone from anywhere can access Gmail whenever they know about the URL gmail.com, facebook.com, twitter.com, youtube.com. All these are public domain only. Okay, FB, Twitter, Gmail, all these are public domain only. You can access it from any device. No worries. Okay, what is intranet application? Intranet means within organization region, organization network. Within organization network, organization means company, within company network, within one company only. I will tell you. See, you are an employee of a company TCS. Okay, you are an employee. You can log into TCS application. You access HR management application. You can see your salary details. You can submit a leave request. All that you can do. I am not employee of TCS. Can I access that? Can you access the same application without not being in the TCS network? Is it possible? HR management application I want to access. I am not in TCS network. I am outside. Can I access? Not possible. You are a banker. You can access bank application for depositing money and all. As a cashier, you will open deposit money account application. You can access to see the data of the customer. You can increase the number, you can decrease the number accordingly where they are going to withdraw or deposit, and you can access that application. That application you can access only when you are a bank employee and only when you are in bank network. Bank servers only you can access. Within bank server, within network servers, outside servers you go, public domain you go, can you access? That is what? Intranet application. See, intranet applications are specific to the business owner, and employees, and its employees. Only employees can access, no one else from outside. That too, within the network, they should have login ID for network. They have to connect through VPN to the network. Only network connected, then you can access. Within network only you can access. Otherwise, you cannot access. See, Pega applications are today in the market. All Pega applications in today's market are intranet applications, internal business processing application, or you say internal business processing applications, like loan processing application, See, I have mentioned some applications here generally. What are the Amazon.in, PhonePe, GPay, IRCTC? These are public domain. These are public domain. Loan processing for a bank, insurance processing in an insurance company, HR onboarding for a company. These are public or private? Private. These are intranet. These are internet. All Pega applications today that are there in the market are within business, internal business processing applications only. That is the reason why Pega is being used. So Pega in today's market is being used only for internal business processing application. Amazon.com is public domain. You can develop, see, Amazon.com application you can develop using Pega also, but they are not doing it. Okay, but you see, when you purchase a product in Amazon, next to delivery case will be created, correct? Delivery application will be available with delivery agent. Delivery agent will have some device. He will access that application. He will mark delivered, not delivered, return, customer not available, signature taking. That application also belongs to Amazon only. Will you be able to access that application? We will not be able to access. Who will be able to access? Only delivery agent can access that application provided by Amazon. That is backend application, not a public domain. That is intranet only. Within that network, employees only can access. That is useful or not? One application. Inventory management system, I want some application. Yes or no? To manage inventory, how many products are there? How many products are going out? How many products are coming in? What is the product newly to be added? All that I will manage through one application only, right? Inventory management application. That application will be accessed inside Amazon network or outside? Inside. Who will access that? Amazon employees only. So that application also can be developed using Pega. How many applications now? Front side Amazon.com. Behind the scenes, 2 applications so far we came across. Amazon employees will be joining Amazon company. They should be onboarded now. Onboarding application is one more, third application. Their leave management system, part of onboarding, not part of onboarding, overall system. That is 4th application now. Okay, their payroll system, 5th application now. See, behind the scenes, how many applications are there for a business? Hundreds of applications will be there. You are seeing only one outside, but internally, so many applications are there. Pega is targeting internal applications. So Pega, using Pega, we develop applications. You will be called a Pega developer. If you're going to learn Pega and you get a job, you will be called a Pega developer. You will be working on UI business logic database without the need of writing any code related to any of these 3. Where you work on application development, those applications are mainly internal business processing application. It will be used internally within the business for some processing purpose. Today in the market, that type of applications only available developed in Pega. Clear with this point, everyone? Online students, so far, are you clear? If you're not clear, let me know.
Yes, sir.
We can build Android applications, iOS applications, that and all we can build. Standalone we can build. Network related also we can build. Mobile related options will be available. Okay, but pretty less being used. Not that much. Okay. So what is next? 2 types of applications I told you. Okay, this is internet applications, intranet applications. I have given you information up to here. Okay, we discussed about what is Pega and what is its use, and we discussed about types of applications. Okay, now this is the next point. Pega is no code application development software. This is the product, just to show you, nothing to deal with as of now. How to access, what is there, you will be learning soon. Pega is a software tool. Without the need of coding, you are going to develop applications. Okay, no coding related to HTML, no coding related to business logic, no coding related to database. Completely no need to write any code. No need to write any code when you are working on Pega. See, it is not only no coding. I'll tell you a little bit more than this. Okay, I will show you one component. Don't bother about navigation. Don't focus on navigation. Send email notification. One component is there. One functional component is available. So send email notification. By name, when you see, what do you understand? Send email notification. I have one component, functional component. Its name is send email notification. By the name itself, what is your guess? What did you understand? What did you understand? If you want to if you want to send emails, like after you purchase a product in Amazon, you'll receive an email, no? You have to implement a functionality, right? One functional component you have to create, which deals with sending email after product purchase is completed. For sending email, we have to write some business logic coding, right? Generally, that you don't have to write. Ready-made products are also available in Pega. Not only no coding also you'll start developing it, but you will not write any coding. Even canceling that, even no coding is cancelled, ready-made product is there. You just need to use this product, ready-made functional component, to whom you want to send email. Give the email address of the person. From which email server you want to send. What is the subject? What is the body of the message? Pass
Can
this
you just
parameters
repeat that point?
Okay, I'll tell you. Look at here. Listen to me carefully. Every one of you, please listen to me carefully. Fully focus here. I told you Pega is no coding. What did you understand from no coding? To design user interface, you will not write any code. How you will do, I'll show you later. Not now. Everything cannot be done on the same day. Just information you have to get now. You are not writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You are designing UI. It will be done drag and drop. Okay. You are not writing business logic, step code line by line. You are not writing, but you are implementing business logic. Okay. I'll show you how to do that. Database queries and all you are not writing. You are not writing joins, but it is UI based only. Pega is everything user interface based, drag and drop, selection, like that. You are implementing all, but you are not writing single line of code. But something you have to start. See, scratch from the beginning you are writing code. If it is taking 2 days time to complete one requirement, if you are implementing without coding, it may take 3 hours or 4 hours. For example, you are writing the code from scratch, 2 days it is taking. Without writing, just drag and drop only, it will take 2 hours or 3 hours, right? Let's say, example, consider 3 hours it is taking. You don't even have to do that. Whatever you are looking for, I have already created it and made it available. I already created. Along with the tool, you don't have to even do that. Drag and drop also you don't do. I have identified this requirement already. In the tool, I have provided this component ready-made available. Okay, you go to a cloth showroom and you purchase some cloth. Okay, you go to a stitching center, you get it stitching done. Okay, it may take 2 to 3 days or 4 days. Yes or no? 3 to 4 days it will take. You go to a shopping mall. Okay, there. Okay, you are going to buy dress for you. That is ready-made dress. How long does it take? Only for going and coming back will take time. Purchasing, we will do it in 10 minutes. You will do it in, I don't want to say. Okay, some time you will take. Okay, so this is what ready-made dress. If you are buying, less span of time. If you want to get it stitching done, then it will take more time, no? So you're doing by yourself from the scratch will take more time. But ready-made is you directly take it and use it. Bring, purchase it, wear it. That's it, done. Like the same way, no coding from the scratch is taking 2 days. No coding drag and drop is taking 2 hours. You don't even have to drag and drop. I have already created a component for you. Just to know it is there in the system. You know it. Use it whenever you get the requirement. You want to send email notification, for that you have to implement it. You don't have to have knowledge about how to implement, how to do that drag and drop and all. You should know in the provided system there is a built-in component available, send email notification. It requires 2 email from email subject message. Email will be sent. If I integrate in the application, email will be sent. Understand? It will take 5 minutes, not more than that. It will take not more than 5 minutes. That's how your development time is reduced. See, Pega is not only no coding development. Pega is not only no coding development, but also what? It has ready-made functionalities. Ready-made functional components. When I say functional components, UI functional components are there, ready-made. Business logic are there. Database related also ready-made are there. Okay, it has ready-made functional components which we can use to implement that, to develop the applications, to develop the application within no time. Within no time. Within no time means it's not zero. It's pretty less span of time. Okay. So if you're developing applications like this using Pega, what is the advantage now? The time to get your project onboarded into the market is pretty less. You can come up with quickly ready-made products. Okay, that's the advantage of Pega. Understand everyone clear? Online resources, are you following? Online students, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are writing code from the scratch using Java with combination of HTML and other technologies, let's say for example, if it is taking 1 year, same time maybe Python also 1 year or maybe pretty less than that. But coming to Pega, not exactly. It will be done in less span of time. Just an example, I told you 3 months. 1 year to not exactly, but 3 months I have given. Okay, means within less span of time you can onboard your application into the market. For a business, it is very important to get into the market on time. Okay, so after everyone else has done the business, if you enter into the market, no use. You should come up. Online registration started. Cinema tickets, no, not required to go to theater. Just purchase it online. One person has introduced. Everyone will start introduced. They are eager to get into the market. Quickly develop your application and get into the market. So this type of products will help you to get into the market quickly. The advantages of using Pega. The advantages of using Pega product, Pega tool in the application development. In the application development, what are the advantages? First one, no coding. Developer point of view, no coding. Second one, ready-made functionalities are there. No, ready-made functional components are available. Faster development, faster. And next, third one, what else? Yeah.
Full stack development.
Fine. Okay, no coding, I'll write down. Full stack. No coding, but full stack. Less span of time required to develop applications. So these are the advantages for a business developer point of view and business point of view. They can quickly get into the market. So as a developer, all of you, if you are learning Pega, you don't have to have any knowledge about UI related technologies or business logic related or database related. I am your trainer. I will be training you to give the information of basics of everything, whatever is required when we start working on each of the component, whatever is needed. I will tell you. You can start from zero and start learning. You are zero, you don't know anything. Okay, you are from pharmacy background. You don't know anything about technologies. Don't know C language, nothing, no worries. But with a mindset of I want to learn it. I want to learn it. You should show that dedication and determination and sit here, regularly attend, regularly practice, follow whatever I tell you. Definitely you will be able to understand and learn. See, for person 1, 2 times reading, 2 times practice, he is able to understand and grasp it. For person 2, by doing 5 times only, he will be able to understand and grasp it. Who will know that? For person 1, 2 times, person 2, 5 times, who will know that? That person only will know it. You are the only person who knows about your abilities. Don't compare yourself with others. Never do that. Okay. My friend is asking so many doubts. He is getting so many ideas because he has that practice since beginning. This is the first time I am doing. Okay. I may not be able to get the same ideas, but I have to learn from him how to think, how to improve the thought process and all. And for him, 2 times going through the session, he is able to understand everything he is doing independently. For me, I have to spend 3 hours, 4 hours time, and 5 times I have to practice. So knowing your abilities will improve your skill. Today, you know that 5 times doing only, I'm able to do it. You are spending that time and you are doing 5 times. Later on, what will happen? After 2 months, the 5 times will get reduced to 2 times. If you don't understand this, If you feel like 2 times I am not getting, I am non-IT background, I don't know anything, because he is from IT background, he is able to understand, then you will be the loser. No matter whether you are non-IT or IT, know your ability and proceed accordingly. Understand? So for you, if it is taking 3 hours, what is there in that? Spend 3 hours time and do it. But this 3 hours will get reduced to 1 hour as your friend after 1.5 months or 2 hours, 2 months for sure. After 1 month or. But if you are really spending the time, quality time, okay, you are giving. So this is very, very important for every student to know about yourself, know about your ability. Don't compare with others. See, all of we are equally capable, but how you make use of your skill in one directional thinking, that way you will be molded. Okay, just a simple example. If you have a knife, so generally we'll purchase a knife from some supermarket or something, it will be 500 rupees cost, stainless steel and superb. We use it for vegetable cutting. Same purpose. There will be one chat vendor, one vendor will be the street vendor. Okay, that samosa bhaji he will be selling. He will also have one knife. 30 rupees roadside he will purchase. You know, right? Which one will function better? Your home kitchen knife or the knife with the street vendor? Street vendor only. 30 rupees. Excellent. 500 rupees. Not that good as street vendors. What is the difference? Regularly he is using it. Regularly he is using, he is sharpening and he is using, again sharpening and using. That's how you will be molded. Okay, start utilizing one direct it in your brain in a one directional thinking, you will be number 1 for sure. Okay, that's the main point. Everyone clear online? So don't compare yourself
Yes, sir.
with anyone else. Okay, know your ability, redo the same again, redoing, practice, revision, you will be perfect. At one point in time, one time you listen to it, you will be able to understand. One time grasp, because you are into the subject, you are in that direction, and your skill got improved. Daily practice should be there. Okay, let's go ahead here. Okay, this is what.
Sir,
Now,
I have a question. Can I ask?
go ahead, please, because anyhow, I have to start this in some time. So we are done up to 9th slide. Okay, remaining how many slides are there? 26 and 25 slides are there overall. Okay, remaining around 16 slides are there that can be covered tomorrow 1 hour. Okay, but you asked me the question. So far you are clear,
Sir,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead, please.
Sir, can we reuse the functionalities that we have created in one application? Can we reuse that functionality in other application?
Yes. See, you create one functionality today. You can reuse this functionality in same application in number of places. No worries. Another application you want to reuse. What you do, you know? What you do? Copy paste this functionality into another application. You don't need to do it from the scratch. Copy this here, paste there. That's it, done. Understand? So copy paste the functionality into another application and start using, because the region of access is not allowed outside. Application you create in application 1 accessible only to application 1. Same you want in application 2, which is not related, unrelated application. Copy paste it and then use it. No need to do from the scratch. Okay. Any other questions?
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
The second point, Pega is not only non-coding, but that point, can you repeat it? Like, I did not get that point.
Pega
It has
is no
ready-made
coding. No
functional
coding
components.
means, look at here. Ready-made functional components I will show you now. See, send email notification. If you want to implement sending one email notification functionality, you have to write code, generally Java code or C# code, some coding you have to write, some number of lines of code you have to write. But
Yes.
this type of requirements
Yes.
already implemented by Pega systems itself. In the tool it is provided. Send email notification ready-made functionality is already there. You don't need to study it. You should know this functionality is already available with the name send email notification. Know its parameters. When I use this functional component, when I fit it in my application, when I fit this functional component in my application, I should pass to email to whom I want to send email. From which email I want to send it. What is the subject line of the email? What is the message? Knowing this, you will be finishing the requirement of sending email notification when performing some action. product purchase is completed, email has to be sent. For that, fit this functional component in your application. After payment is done, execute this functional component, give the to email, from email, subject and message, email will be sent. Dynamically you have to pass. This is ready-made functional component available. Understand? Clear? Now are you clear?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Next, what is
One
the
doubt,
next one? Yes,
sir. One
please.
doubt here. Yes. So by going through this course, like, can someone apply only Pega application developer role, or like all
I
three
will
roles,
tell
like
you.
application developer, tester, and support role also?
Pega application development is there. Pega admin officially is not there, but they are calling it. Pega testing is there. Pega business analyst is there. All openings are for developer only. Testing you are learning, waste of time. Admin you are learning, there is no one to teach anyhow. Anyhow, that's waste of time. And what else?
Support.
Testing, admin, developer, business analyst. Business analyst openings will be there. Only 2 out of 100. 2 out of 100. If you want to become a business analyst, the most important thing is communication, English language. You have to directly talk to the client. Okay. There is no career growth. Career growth will not be there. You want to have the career growth, Pega is only development. That's the main part of Pega actually. Pega developer only will get a salary. 2 years developer also will get 25 lakhs. Possible. Okay. So that is possible. Highest salaries are only in Pega. Okay.
So Pega support role also exists in the market, or how does it goes actually?
Support is not
Okay.
related to any technology. Every technology, every application requires support. But Pega support
Yes.
is also very less. Pega is all about development only. Support is needed pretty less because of ready-made features. If you are developing, you make mistakes. Someone developed and given you, you are using that product from someone, you will not, mistake is not yours. Okay. Understand? So if I
Okay.
have already created one textbook and I have given you, okay, if there is a mistake, who will correct? I will correct as a supplier. Yes or no? If you are writing notes by yourself, entire textbook you are writing, you made so many mistakes. Who has to correct? You have to correct. I will not make as many mistakes as you because I am already knowledgeable. I am doing this since long back. Yes or no? This product was introduced in 1983. Since long back, they are developing, modifying, and all. So all the components are pretty much perfect actually. Okay, so many errors they would have faced from the clients. They would have received report. I printed one textbook and given you told 10th page something is missing here, please check. I reprinted it. Again 15th page some problem is there. I reprinted it. Another person reported me at 25th page the sentence is wrong. I corrected it. Like this, the every product will enhance like this. So almost 40 years nearly means it would have been stabilized, much stabilized in the market. Okay, so no support is not much required. Okay, next, any other doubts or question? Support projects will be
Sir,
there, but
doubt.
less. Development, everything. Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, Pega is from
Sir,
last 7 to 8 years already in the market. So what is the scope in future? Because if we are learning, at least it should be there, like we should have a future over there, right? Because it's already there in the market for last 7, 8 years.
Yes, okay, thank you. 7, 8 years you told. You did not tell me that you are going to retire and take the pension. Now, just kidding. Now, see, Pega is not like a some tools like a Tableau or ClickView, which is going to provide specific features of business. Pega is application development. As long as you have Java, Python, all these full stack application development things are available in the market, Pega will be there in the market. Java may get retired, Python may get retired, Pega will be there. I'll tell you how. Java is replaced by X technology. Python is replaced by X technology. Pega will be developed in X technology. Pega tool will be developed by using that X technology. Pega will survive. Understand? Clear? To develop this tool, they have used Java. Starting, they have used C language. Later, they upgraded to CPP. Today, internally Java running, we don't need to bother about it. Java retires in the market. Some X technology is replacing Java better than Java. Pega will be developed in that X technology. Understand now? Pega will not retire. I told you 20 years you can survive, but Pega will be there forever as long as application development is needed. And also AI cannot replace it easily. Tools, AI cannot touch tools that much. Technology, it may generative AI, right? It may generate the code for technology, but tools and all it cannot understand. Unless the tool is going to allow the AI to dig in, it cannot understand. So AI here is going to participate only up to 20 to 25%. AI in technology can participate up to 75%. Okay, technologies may be gone, but tool will sustain, and that too Pega tool will sustain because it is development tool. It's not like one reporting tool specifically. It is full stack development. Pega has not only these 3 layers. Reporting is included, version management is included, okay, and deployment tools are included in Pega. Everything, it is full stack. I told you, right? Test cases included in Pega. Everything will be there in Pega as a full stack, not only the 3 layers. I did not tell you, but all the layers in SDLC lifecycle are available within the tool. You'll be learning all those. Okay, it will be there, no worries. Next, someone has posted this question: can we see real project or application already working or done in Pega only for motivation purpose? Pega applications are not public domain, as I told you. You cannot see. If you ask me Java, I would have opened you some application. If you ask me Python, I would have opened you some application on the web. I can show you only the application developed by me here for other batches. Anyhow, you'll be learning in a better way, even better than real time. You will be learning for sure. Okay. Any other doubts or questions?
Sir,
Yes, yes, sir.
what is
You,
Pega
you
Infinity
said
when?
there are some.
Hold on. First female student, next male student. Go ahead now.
Sir,
Sir,
but there are many other technologies parallelly developing, having infrastructure like Pega, correct?
Come again. Pega project.
Like there are many other technologies are coming in market parallelly to Pega, like which is having a similar infrastructure.
Yes, correct. I'll come to your question. Can we deploy Pega to AWS? Anywhere you can deploy. That's not any server you can deploy. That question someone was asking. Now, like Pega, so many tools are coming, right? Pega, Kiss Flow, Decision, Activity, and Out Systems, Appian, Codis, Blaze. Like this, there are so many tools available. See, Microsoft Windows operating system is there. How many operating systems are there in the market? Like Microsoft Windows. How many operating systems are there? You know, hundreds of operating systems are there. Only 3 operating systems are ruling the world. Personal life, Windows operating system or Mac operating system. Professional life, Linux operating system. Only these 3. But you have hundreds of operating systems for your information. Same way, Pega is a stabilized product. So many clients are coming, similar products. They may not be up to the mark as the stabilized product, right? So they will come, they will reach to some extent of growth. Pega will grow more, obviously, because they are in the market since 40 years. Okay, that's how, as Windows operating system is a monopoly in the operating system market, Pega is a monopoly in the Pega market. How? Why? You will understand tomorrow. That will be covered. Okay, clear everyone? Online, are you clear? Today I have shared you information about Pega tool and its purpose. Okay, no coding and all. I have given information. Tomorrow what am I going to tell you? Tomorrow this will be covered. Yesterday itself I have written. Tomorrow, this continuation of today, continuation of October 5th session. October 6th will be continuation, means from this PPT we will start. But tomorrow it will be beautiful. You will understand Pega PRPC architecture. Okay, BPM versus Pega and its architecture. But you have to be much attentive in the class tomorrow. Okay, what is BPM? BPM versus Pega. So far you might be hearing Pega, Pega PRPC, Pega BPM, different terminology you might be hearing, right? Tomorrow that will be clarified. What is Pega, Pega PRPC terminology, Pega BPM, what is BPM, what is Pega versus BPM, all this you will understand tomorrow. Clear cut information I'll give you. That is continuation and connection to today's session. Understand clear? Online students, are you clear?
Yes. What is Pega
sir,
Infinity?
doubt.
No, that male student. Female, after I requested male student, right? Ask that male student you ask.
One question regarding
Sir,
the online interview question. like how that would be conducted, like online interviews?
I will tell you that process later. That's not now. I'll tell you online interviews and offline interviews, how mock interviews will be conducted. That I'll tell you later. Okay, no worries. I'll tell you. Scope will be there, and how can online student attend weekly mock interviews? I'll tell you. No worries. We have a specific process defined. No worries. We'll send you. You register, and then we will call you. You don't need to call us. Is domain knowledge required for Pega developer? Any developer, any technology, domain knowledge is required. I will tell you that domain knowledge.
Small doubt I have, the previous
Sir.
question doubt on regarding that online mock interviews, because
Hold on.
because I'm not from Hyderabad based, I'm staying out of the station. How that going to conduct? Because that should be clear, right? If I'm not staying in cities.
You're not staying in Hyderabad. What is the problem? I didn't get you.
No. How the mock interviews is
Phone is
completely
there,
online. It's
yeah,
like
phone
a
connection.
Sorry.
Yeah, phone connection. Phone is there.
Yes.
We'll take interview online phone. Online
Okay.
students will take online.
I just want to get a clarity on that side. How is it every time should be there in your location, or I just want to make sure that
No need.
it's clear.
We will conduct phone interview for online student, direct interview for offline students. You will attend here itself, face to face.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for that.
And that female student now.
Sir, you says Pega is being used only for internet applications. Why Pega is not used for internet applications?
Yes, public domain, why they are not using? Because of cost, per user cost. See, Amazon, how many people will access daily? Millions of people will access. How many Amazon agents will access internal applications? Pretty less. Cost is based on per user. Okay, Pega licensing cost. That's why that they are not using it out. Anyhow, it is meant for business processing, internal processing. That's the main intention behind bringing this product to the market.
Okay.
Okay, so for now that is okay, and any questions I can take up later. And tomorrow you are going to get a clear idea about what is BPM, what is Pega versus BPM. Tomorrow will be discussed. That is continuation of today. Thank you for joining for today. Same meeting link for online student, but I am finding that you people are joining late. Okay, join on time, connect on time, come here on time. Okay, you can wind up. Thank you. I will share this video and documentation.